Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need active Hyperwallet and PayPal accounts with matching name and email to avoid holds. Once logged into Hyperwallet, open Wallet and choose Add Payment Method. Pick PayPal from the list. When prompted, click Connect or Link to initiate the OAuth flow so Hyperwallet can communicate with PayPal. Make sure to have your PayPal login ready. You will need to authenticate and grant permission for balance transfers and payout access before proceeding to the next configuration steps. Once redirected to PayPal, sign in and explicitly grant Hyperwallet the requested permissions for payouts and balance access. This is how transfers are authorized. After authorization, return to Hyperwallet to select the payout currency and designate PayPal as your default or secondary payout method. This matters for conversion and fee behavior. Make sure to read displayed transfer limits and fee estimates so you understand timing and costs. You should see a confirmation or pending connection notification. Keep that page until Hyperwallet. You finish by creating a small test payout from Hyperwallet to PayPal to validate the link and currency handling. This reduces risk. Once you initiate, monitor Hyperwallet for status changes, pending, sent, then completed, and check PayPal for the incoming balance and any conversion notes. If the transfer is delayed or fails, first confirm that your PayPal and Hyperwallet emails and identity verifications match and that you granted permissions. If issues persist, capture screenshots and contact either Hyperwallet or PayPal support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.